There are a lot of moving parts to remodeling a home, and not all remodeling companies are the same. Large-scale renovations and remodels require skill, expertise, and most importantly, attention to detail.
When I meet with a customer, I always ask him, what are you looking in a contractor? What's very important to you? Some people will say communication. The other people will say cleanliness, being on time. Who's gonna run the project? Is it gonna be you? Is it gonna be a project manager? Are they gonna be runners? What time do you guys arrive? What times do you leave? Are you working 5 days a week, 7 days a week? Both sides need to listen to each other because sometimes customers have wants, but it's not what they need. And it's super important to be both on the same page.
With over 20 years in the business, Home Quality Remodeling Inc. stands out from the competition. Their white glove service means they handle everything with care, keeping you in the loop and making the whole remodeling process feel smooth and stress-free.
When I hear white glove service, I hear soup to nuts service, where it starts from initial beginning meeting where I'm gonna hear what the customer wants to achieve. Then we're gonna be adding our designers, then we're gonna be adding our architects, our engineers, so everything stays within the home quality remodeling umbrella. We're doing small projects like bathrooms and kitchens all the way to new construction over 6,000 and 7,000 square feet. We provide all the finished materials and we make sure that the customer doesn't need to think outside the box. Everything is provided to them all the way from breaking ground to finished product. People appreciate when you listen to them. People appreciate when you come and fix. People appreciate when you take full responsibility of your mistakes. We're contractors. Things happen, mistakes happen, but when you're there listening to your customer, making sure that it's fixed within your ability, that goes a very long way.
The homeowner is very involved in the design process through listening, collaboration, professional guidance, understanding the homeowner's needs in order for us to provide the best design service. We utilize 3D renderings and walkthrough to help the customer visualize the projects with different color palettes, appliances, finished materials. It really helps bring the project to life.
So we schedule one of our project managers to go on site, and then we start the relationship with the customer, get their feeling, see what their goals, what's their necessities, what are they looking to accomplish within their house. It is very important for the homeowner to be always in contact with their project manager to know what's going on within every single phase of the project, from design phase all the way to construction phase.
Expert craftsmanship and precision are essential on every job site. But what truly sets this team apart is what happens beyond the build.
Special requests and changes are handled mid-project with thorough investigation for the impacts on budget and timeline, collaboration with the customer to find the most cost-effective solution so that we can implement it and make sure there's no issues moving forward with the project.
Yeah, we bought a really small starter home shortly after we got married, and it was 1,100 square feet. And we brought Ron in to help us expand. The house was on a pretty large lot, and so we pushed out the back another 1,000 square feet and basically doubled the size of the house. Look, as like a first-time homeowner, I was pretty terrified going into this project. Financially, it's a pretty huge commitment. But then once I saw Ron and the team kind of execute on our vision, it was clear they're professionals and they knew what they're doing, and I kind of let my guard down and kind of trusted the process, which is just fantastic. Can't say enough positive things.
Before you're going to be looking at the lowest price or even the mid-range price of a contractor, make sure that he backs up whatever it is that you need. As I said, the reputation, the communication, the transparency, the payment schedule, the licensing, okay? It's super important because at the end of the day, if you're going to be saving $1 in a project, but it's going to go south, okay? That's going to be the worst thing you've done in a long time. Choose the right company as far as their abilities, as far as their reputation, and how fast they can deliver the house. If it's a matter of, $1 here or there, it's worth the investment.
Want to know more about Home Quality Remodeling Inc.? Visit their website, homequalityremodeling.com, or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.